Ciao, I'm Sissy Castrogiovanni. I'm a Sicilian singer-composer, and this is Terra. Terra, it means earth, Mother Earth, and this is my earth anthem where science meets spirituality. I had a pivot moment once that I was studying biology of development when I was studying genetics, and I found out that there are those atoms that get attached to other atoms in a very specific and very intentional way, and they eventually create molecules that have a specific function to create first a cell, then 2, 4, 8, and eventually to create a full organism in its full complexity. And everything is so highly complex and so specific that when I learned that, I was like, whoa, wait a moment. It really blew my mind. I think we are so used to seeing life and we take it so much for granted that we forget of how magic this whole process is, and how incredible, how complex, how highly specific this whole process is, coordinated by its own intelligence. Truth is that the earth knows how to do things on its own and knows how to do them in harmony. Have been knowing it way before than us. Terra is about this magic that there is in the earth. It's about trusting this inner power and wisdom, part of the earth itself and part of our inner self too. Things can happen in harmony. In this music, all my influences get together. There is a lot of Sicilian and Sicilian dialect, as well jazz and rhythm, percussion, Afro rhythm. It's a mix of everything. I was honored to play this music and create this music with incredible and amazing musicians. On piano, Tim Ray. On bass, Jesse Williams. On drum set, Jorge Perez Alvela, which is also my husband. On guitar, Claudio Ragazzi. On saxophone, Ligia Ruvi. On percussion, Jamie Haddad. And Fabio Pirozzolo and Marcus Santos. And also a string quartet and background singers. So it actually became a very big project. And as a special guest, directly from Sicily, Sissy Castrogiovanni, who's an amazing musician who sings and plays specific instruments as the marranzano and the cornemuse or zampogna, which are instruments from the Sicilian tradition that I had fun to mix them with a jazz context and a jazz quartet sound. Also, I had the pleasure to have as a mixing engineer Rob Griffin and an amazing team of sound engineers. Somebody asked me after a concert what was my goal, and I answered back asking, well, how do you feel now after a concert? And he replied that he felt more positive and he felt uplifted. So yes, this is my goal. In a time where the news and the media every day constantly remind us of all the worst things happen in the world, as an artist I felt the urge to do the best I can to share a message of positivity. Do my best to motivate and possibly inspire people. You know, I always have been the motivator friend with my friends, the shoulder, and I realized it's time to share this with as many people as possible, and through my music, that is what I think I do best. In order to bring this project to as many people as possible, I need to invest in the post-production part. And as an independent artist, that's very difficult, and that's the reason why there is a lot of beautiful music around and oftentimes you don't even know about it. By pre-ordering the album, you can be part of this whole process. You can actually be my label, and you can help me in spreading this message around. To show you all my gratitude, I'm reserving for you some very special perks in limited edition that will be available only for the people who pledge to this campaign. Help me in this uplifting quest. There is a lot of magic in this world, and we just need to tune to it, learn to recognize it, and trust it. And people need to know it. Thank you so much.